Powerball is a great meal option. It is packed with nutrients and is easy to make. Today I want to show you how to make a lighter version of vegetarian Powerball, which has protein, a lot of fiber, and is absolutely free of grain component, which makes it lower in calories, but still satisfying both physically and mentally. Start by cooking the eggs to soft boiled condition and preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. It takes 6-7 minutes on medium to high heat to cook soft-boiled eggs, so set a timer not to miss the right moment. Cut firm tofu that has been patted dry with a paper towel in cubes and quickly marinate in soy sauce combined with garlic powder and cornstarch. Have the baking tray lined with either parchment paper or a silicone mat and evenly distribute the marinated tofu cubes on it. Top the cubes with the remaining marinade and leave it there for a few minutes. Cut the shiitake mushrooms in slices and fry in the toasted sesame oil. Season with salt and stir the mushrooms to coat them with the oil so that they could shine with flavor, and add rice vinegar to give it a savory kick. Stir again and set aside. Now send the tray with marinated tofu to the oven for 15 minutes. Watch the timer set for the eggs. At this point, they should be ready. Next ingredient to take care of is the radishes. Thinly slice them and set aside as well. Now the cauliflower rice. I personally like bigger chunks of cauliflower rice, and to make it easy, I've used a shredder disc and shredded the cauliflower in the food processor. This is what I mean saying bigger chunks of cauliflower. Okay, time to turn the tofu cubes to the other side so that they get crispy not only on one side. Return the tray to the oven for another 10 minutes. The edamame. I've used the frozen ones. Since they are already cooked, it will take a couple minutes to defrost when you keep them in boiling water. Pour the boiling water also over the shredded cauliflower to make it a bit softer and warm it up. Peel the eggs and set them aside. Take the baked tofu out from the oven and let it cool. And the last ingredient to slice is avocado. We will need a quarter avocado per bowl. Drain the cauliflower, spread over a tea towel that is lined in a tray, and pat dry with another towel. There is no Powerball without a sauce. For this one, the sauce is quite simple. Combine mayonnaise with sriracha sauce, and just like this, the sauce is ready. After all this prepping, get ready for assembling the Powerball. Take a shallow open bowl and layer the bottom with cauliflower, about 4 full tablespoons. Drizzle it with the sauce. Then visually divide the bowl to 5 parts and add some crispy greens on one part. Next to the greens, add a couple tablespoons of shiitake mushrooms, then the same amount of edamame, some mung bean sprouts, baked tofu, and then sliced radishes right in the center. Top the bowl with avocado slices, egg halves, and drizzle with spicy mayo sauce. For the final touch, garnish the bowl with alfalfa sprouts. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description below as always. If you like this video, tell us so and share it with your family and friends and the friends of your friends and the families of your friends. We are also curious to know if you want to see more of the low-calorie recipes here on Fab Eats. So give us a shout. Give us a shout in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if not yet to keep us on your radar, because the last thing you want to do is search in YouTube for a long time to find us again. Thanks for watching and being with us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.